Hey everyone, in this video, I wanted to show you how to delete WhatsApp data from your iPhone. So if your iPhone is getting filled up because of your WhatsApp messages, there is an easy way to clear and restore all that storage. So go ahead and launch WhatsApp here. And on the very bottom, you want to go to the settings option. You see the settings option on the corner on the bottom of the screen. That will bring you to this settings page. And under the settings page, all you would have to do is go to chats. And once you get to chats, you have some options on the very bottom of this page. The one you want to choose is clear all chats. Let me go ahead and select that right here. It says clearing your chats will delete your message history on this phone and delete all send and receive messages. Now, this is going to keep your groups intact, but it's going to delete every message in there, including media. This is the way to clear storage. So I'm going to go ahead and type my number and say clear chat. There we go. All the chats have been deleted here, cleared. And if you go to delete all chats, it will have the same effect. It will delete all chats for you. I usually just do clear all chats, and that saves up the storage for me. You could always do a chat backup as well if you do want to save those things on the cloud. So you could press backup now and securely store all your WhatsApp data that way. And under setting, if you do want to alter the way you use it, you could go to data and storage setting here, and you could change some of these to be more based on your connectivity. So you could change it from Wi-Fi or cell. So this one's set to Wi-Fi and cell. You could change it to Wi-Fi or never. This way it will reduce some of that data usage here. And you could always change your call setting to low data usage if you're having data problems here. But this is the way to clear space on your phone, on your iPhone, using the WhatsApp settings. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.